If you want to create a Google Calendar widget for your website, this video is going to walk you through the process step by step. Whether you want to display your schedule, share event dates, or make it easier for visitors to stay updated, embedding your calendar is one of the simplest ways to keep everything in sync. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy tech guides just like this. Let's jump in. First, open Google Calendar on your computer and make sure you're signed into the correct Google account. Once you're in, look over on the left-hand side under My Calendars and find the calendar you want to embed. This part is important if you have multiple calendars because you want to make sure you're editing the right one before you generate the widget. Now, next to the calendar name, click the More menu, which is the three-dot icon. From the drop-down, select Settings and Sharing. This will open the full settings page for that specific calendar, where you can control who can view it and how it appears on your website. Scroll down until you find the section called Access Permissions for Events. If you want the calendar to be visible to everyone who visits your site, enable the option that says Make Available to Public. Keep in mind that this means the calendar can be seen publicly, so only turn this on if you're comfortable sharing those details. If you're using the calendar internally or for a private group, you may want to double check your privacy settings before proceeding. After that, keep scrolling until you reach the Integrate Calendar section. This is where Google gives you the tools to add your calendar to a website. Look for the Embed Code option and you'll see an HTML iframe code snippet provided by Google. This code is what creates the actual calendar widget on your page. Click to copy the iframe code. Be careful to copy the full code exactly as it appears because even a small mistake can stop the widget from working properly. Once copied, open your website's HTML editor, content management system, or page builder. Depending on what platform you use, this might be WordPress, Wix, Squarespace, Webflow, or a custom HTML page. Now paste the iframe code into the location where you want the Google Calendar widget to appear. You can place it in a dedicated section, inside a text or HTML block, or anywhere your page builder allows custom code. If your platform gives you preview options, take a quick look to make sure the calendar is showing up the way you want it to. Once everything looks good, save your changes or publish your web page. After the page goes live, visitors will be able to see your Google Calendar widget directly on your site. If you ever need to update the calendar, just make changes inside Google Calendar and the embedded widget will reflect those updates automatically. So that's the full process for creating a Google Calendar widget and adding it to your website. It only takes a few minutes, and once it's set up, it can save you a lot of time by keeping your visitors informed without needing constant manual updates. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.